And we're back. Brand new bitch. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am bringing to you guys a actually requested look from my IG fam. I posted this look back in, I want to say, October. So yeah, before we get into the video, don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below what type of videos you want to see from me. I need to know what to upload, what you guys want to see on YouTube, because I am really active on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then what are you doing? Go follow me, because if I disappear from YouTube, I am probably active on Instagram and my Twitter. Somewhere here I will have all my social media handles, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get into the video. I really hope and pray that this audio comes out good, because if it doesn't, I'll be so annoyed. El look que voy a recrear hoy va a ser un look que yo hice en octubre, pero I don't know, algo de ese video no me gustó, so quiero recrear el video. Y también en los comentarios en Instagram ustedes me preguntaron que si por favor podía hacer un video más detallado para YouTube donde explico cómo lo hago, like la sombra y todo eso. So I'm going to recreate a look that I did back in October. I liked the look, I just didn't like the video of the look. I don't know if that makes sense. I've been thinking about doing this for the longest. I just haven't gotten around to doing it until now. So that's what we're doing today. So the palette that I'm going to start with is going to be the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. And it looks like this. So I'm just going to start with the yellow. Okay, come through, pigments, come through. We love a good pigmented eyeshadow. And like Juvia's Place to me is like such a morenita friendly makeup brand. El mamey lo voy a poner encima del amarillo. Y cuando pongas el mamey en puesto, tú no lo quieres pegar demasiado de las cejas porque tú quieres tener espacio para difuminar el color later on. So you don't want to place the color too close to your brow bone because you want to have space to blend out the color later on. So yo voy a coger una brocha limpia. Voy a empezar a difuminar el color mamey. And we're just gonna go in like this. I think I'm doing the colors in order. To be honest, I'm not 100% sure, but I think I am. Ahora estoy poniendo el rosado. Y al mismo tiempo lo estoy difuminando un poco, no de un todo, pero un poquito. I'm just putting a little bit more, un poquitito más de mamey naranja. ¿Cómo te le dicen ese color? ¿Mamey o le dicen naranja? Like, I really, really wonder. Mamey. How the fuck do you even spell mamey? Un mamey color naranja. This shit don't even make sense. Like, make it make sense. Y ahora voy a coger un poquitito más del amarillo. Y me voy a poner un poquitito más. Y todo se trata de tomar su tiempo y difuminar, 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 difuminar. You just gotta take your time. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is key. Okay. Now I'm taking this palette right here. This is the Juvia's Place a Magic palette. Taking this blue color right here. First taking the blue and I'm placing it right here. Now I'm going to take the purple in the Zulu palette that looks like this. Ahora voy a coger este morado y me lo voy a poner encima del azul. Ahora yo voy a coger una brocha más o menos limpia. Just blend, blend, blend. Like, blending is key. I don't know how to talk while I do my liner. Like, that's not a skill I've mastered yet. I'm back with my lashes on. So I have a new foundation routine. It's not really new anymore, but it's new for my YouTube fam. So unless you follow me on Instagram as well, and if you're not, then girl, what you doing? So tengo una rutina nueva para mi base, which I'm going to show you guys today, que les voy a enseñar hoy. Y es sin usar base en la cara entera. Solamente donde lo necesito. So the first thing I'm going to use is this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I'm in the color Caramel. And then I'm going to go ahead and contour. Now, I cream contour. That's what I prefer. If you just want to do powder contour, then you do that. That's completely up to you. Si tú quieres hacerte tu contorno con polvo, con crema, eso lo decides tú. Depends on what you like. And I'm using the Makeup Revolution Infinite Concealer. Conceal and Define Infinite in C14. Lo que voy a hacer ahora es difuminar esto, lo que tengo en la cara por el momento. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend my contour. And I'm trying to keep it in the same place where I placed it. So just, you know, moving a little bit upward, you do upward motions. Oh, the brush that I use to blend my contour is the BH Cosmetics 114 brush. I love this brush. Esa fue la brocha que usé para difuminar mi contour. La mayoría de mis brochas son de BH Cosmetics, Sigma Beauty, or Real Techniques. Yo tengo un código con Sigma Beauty. I will leave it down below, and I will also leave it here on the screen. I do have a discount code with Sigma Beauty if you guys are interested. En la descripción abajo van a tener toda la información de todas mis brochas favoritas de Sigma, también con el código que pueden usar para ahorrar un poquito de dinero, por si les interesa. Esta brocha que estoy usando is from Real Techniques, and this is the Expert Face Brush. This is what I use to blend out my concealer, and I love it. I've been really a fan of using brushes lately. Yo me veo blanca right now, pero we're gonna fix it. So now I'm going to use a brighter concealer. And I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Infinite Concealer in C12. Ese puedo usar ahora como corrector porque lo quiero un poquitito más claro. Quiero usar un poquitito más claro debajo de los ojos. Pero es un poquito, literalmente a dab, like just a tiny bit. Then I'm going to be the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation, and I'm in the shade F13. Wow, that was a lot. Ahora yo me pongo la base en las áreas donde no me puse contour ni me puse corrector. If you feel like the contour kind of disappeared or whatever, you can just go back in with it. To me, I personally like that because I just use the contour to slightly define my cheekbones. I, for the most part, like to be bronzed. I blended my foundation and I'm happy with how I blended it. So I'm just going to blend out this concealer. So now I'm using my favorite powder because I don't know if, I think I mentioned it in a previous video that I lost my Sacha Buttercup. Oh wow, I'm making another sound. Sorry. I lost my Sacha Buttercup powder and I finally got around to buying a new one. So This is the one. So y'all already know this is the only powder I'm using lately. Fuck that. I no longer bake. Pueden ver la diferencia. Matte, glossy, set, not set. Okay. But yeah, this is the powder that I've been going crazy using, and I don't see myself going back to any other powder. And if we're gonna talk about a banana powder, this is the best for me in my opinion. And if we're going to talk about translucent powders, you guys know I swear by my Laura Mercier. Para bronceador, bronzer. ¿Es bronceador qué se dice? I think it's bronceador. Yeah, bronzer. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Bake and Blot powder. And this is in the shade Deep Dark. And this is how I set my contour. I don't set my contour then bronze. I literally set my contour with my bronzer. I am bronzing with the Real Techniques 400 blush brush. Yes, I'm bronzing with the blush brush. I don't give a fuck. Listen, this is the shit to bronze.
Yo, my hair is a hot mess. I'm so sorry.
So I'm taking the same Buttercup powder and the same brush. Vamos a terminar los ojos. So, vas a coger un poquito de polvo. Yo voy a coger un poquito de mi polvo de la cara. Y me voy a poner una cantidad así más o menos. Esto es solamente por si te cae sombra, el polvo la puedes recoger. Ok, so vamos a empezar con el color amarillo. Nuevamente de la misma paleta de Juvia's Place, this one right here. Y miras hacia arriba y te pones el amarillo en la parte de adentro. We're gonna take the pink and you're gonna place it right next to the yellow. This looks so cute. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the blue. We'll do this blue right here. Vamos a coger este highlighter. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Exam Reezy highlighter collab that they came out with, I want to say 2 years ago, and put it on my face so I can be real highlighted and real cute. So I'm just going to take my MAC Fix Plus and I'm going to spray that all over my face. Yes, I do shower in this. Yo sí me doy un baño literal en esto. I love me some MAC Fix Plus. Then I'm just going to take a sponge and I'm just going to press everything into my skin. Oh my god, my mustache needs to be done with.
Wow, you really didn't fucking take care of your mustache before you got on camera? Bitch, what type of influencer are you?
I'm just gonna go ahead and fix my hair and then I'll be right back to end this video. And we're back. Brand new bitch. Take a quick look at the eyes. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is as detailed as I'm gonna get it. Intenté explicarles lo mejor que pude. Espero que hayan aprendido algo, que les haya gustado el video. But yeah, if you guys want more videos from me, don't forget to like this video. Leave me a comment down below what type of videos you guys want to see. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!